In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users in Help Scout. If you're onboarding a teammate or giving a collaborator limited visibility, adding them correctly ensures they see the right conversations and have the right level of control. Start by heading to your users list in Help Scout. At the top, you'll see the Add User button. Click that to open a simple form. You'll first enter the person's name and email address. Use their official work email and double-check for typos. This is how they'll receive access and how their identity appears to teammates and customers. For the name, enter it exactly as they want it shown in signatures and internal mentions. Consistency makes your team easier to navigate. Next, choose the user's role. You'll typically see options like Administrator, User, and Light User. Roles define permissions. Administrators can manage higher-level settings and team access, so reserve this for trusted leaders who truly need it. Standard users are ideal for your core support team. They can reply to customers and work through conversations day to day. Light users are perfect for collaborators who don't need to send replies. They can view conversations and add private notes to help the team without taking a full support seat. If you're unsure which to choose, start with the least access required and adjust upward later as needed. After selecting the role, decide which inboxes this person should access. Inboxes are the shared mailboxes or channels your team supports. The ones you select determine which conversations they can view, and, for users and administrators, where they can reply. Keep access focused and relevant. Grant only the inboxes they'll actually work in. This helps protect customer data, keeps reports clean, and prevents accidental replies in the wrong place. If someone only consults on a specific project, give them access to just that inbox. Once you've reviewed the details, name, email, role, and inbox access, click Create User. Help Scout will create the account with exactly the permissions you set, and the person will be able to sign in and get to work based on those settings. A few quick best practices as you wrap up. Use a consistent naming format across your team. Verify that the email domain is correct for your organization, and revisit roles periodically to keep access aligned with responsibilities. Clear roles and targeted inbox access make your workspace secure, organized, and easy to manage. That's all there is to it. Click Add User, enter the name and email, pick the right role, choose Inbox Access, and create. Thanks for watching, and happy supporting.